Okay, so I upgraded my air cannon for throwing throw bags up into trees. I replaced the 1-inch brass ball valve with a 1-inch 24-volt sprinkler valve. It's got a solenoid that operates it, and I just took all the guts out of the drill so it slid on the pipe, and I wired the wires that used to go to the motor to the solenoid. It runs off a regular 18-volt battery. I think I got about 80 pounds in there right now. Hopefully I don't destroy nothing. Ready? See if we can not shoot my truck. It shoots an actual projectile really fast and violent. That was a rubber glove shoved in a electrical tape tube. But it works every time. So, you have two hands, you can aim this thing wherever you want. And then all you do is pull the trigger and you don't jerk the whole gun over. So, I have to do some testing on it.